This 2004 Mustang is a prime example of why the CarpetSaver helps keep your carpet from ripping. Here's a floor mat and here's the carpet retaining hook, and it's pulling on the carpet so much that eventually it's going to rip. But also you can see the hook here is really at an angle, and so it's supposed to be flat to the carpet and then the floor mat sits flat. But over time what happens is you get in the car and get out of the car and your feet push and it pulls and pulls and pulls on that hook in the carpet. Here's the finished result after the CarpetSaver bracket is installed. This is a prototype bracket that's not powder coated yet, but you get the idea. Here the bracket is holding the carpet anchor securely, and then the floor mat goes right there and that keeps the floor mat from pulling on the carpet. Instead it pulls on the bracket, which pulls on the seat stem. Much more secure.